G'day and welcome to the PAMMO mini pendant with Jenny Brandis. In this video we will be adding the clasp to the pre-worked pendant. The pieces have been hand stitched together through the stem to form the triangle you see here. The joined stems are then wrapped in the thread and tied off before any excess thread ends are trimmed. The cut area then had a drop of glue added to bind the ends together. I am using these fold-over end clamps to attach the pendant to the cord. Decide which is the front of the lace. The clamp I am using has a small spur at the centre bottom to snag the ribbon cord and hold it in place. Place the stem inside the clamp, front side down. Use your fingernail or pliers to push the cord over the spur to secure it. Pick it up and use the pliers to close one side of the clamp. By applying pressure to the opposite corner, then close the other side. Apply pressure to the front and back to flatten the clamp, and with the pliers, check that the clamp is attached securely. Add a jump ring through the clamp's eye ready to hang on your necklace.